A lovely couple were having what they thought was a peaceful picnic, but little did they know blood-sucking leeches swim through the creek they were having it by. Will the leech grip onto one of them? The Epic Bird Chase, Part 2, by Gabriel A. Previously on the Epic Bird Chase, Australia. The story continues. One day, in an Australian rainforest, dun dun dun, a couple were sitting by a creek. They were having a peaceful picnic. A leech! Don't worry. I'll light the end of it and it will come off. Fine. Don't burn your leg. It's inside of me. What do you mean? The leech went in my leg. It's gone. And that's the story. To be continued.